it's Lisa. I'm with Queen Bee Beauty, and I wanted to share with you a tip that I had about how to get lip scents off your clothing. I think some of you may have had the same problem I do, and I found an awesome product that is super cheap, and I want to show you what it does right before your very eyes. So here's my lip scents. You can see that little spot with the camera focus on it, and I'll show you what I use. This stuff, this is amazing. See that? Awesome spray. Where do you find awesome spray? I've seen it at the 99-cent store. I personally get it from Dollar Tree. That's right, this gigantic bottle is from Dollar Tree. And as you can see, I use it for a lot of things other than just my lip scent stains. Try saying that 12 times. So I want to show you how it works. So I'm going to say, so here's my stain. I'm going to let the camera go in. I'm going to spray it. And this isn't one of those things where you just kind of fix it and forget it. Spray and forget. And agitating it like this is okay. But what I like to do is I like to get in there with my fingernail and just start picking at it. And mind you, this shirt has been washed already. It's remarkable. So, lip scent stains on your clothes. Get yourself some awesome spray, 99-cent store, Dollar Tree, wherever, and use your fingernail. All right, you guys, enjoy this helpful tip, and let me know how it goes for you. Take care. Bye.